Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. In this video, I'll show you how to reposition your floating bar campaign. If you haven't done so already, be sure to hit that subscribe button and notification bell. Now, let's get started. I've just finished editing my design, and now I'm ready to set the position for my floating bar campaign. By default, the floating bar will appear at the bottom of the browser window, but you have the option to move it to the top. To do so, select Settings in the lower left corner, and then select Floating Bar Settings. Next, select the Load Floating Bar at top of page option, and the campaign will appear at the top of the browser window. The default behavior for the floating bar campaign is to push the page content down while the campaign is positioned at the top of the browser. If you're seeing the floating bar overlay the page content instead of at the top, it's likely that your site's theme or styling is interfering with the natural behavior of the campaign. For example, if your site has a sticky header or navigation bar, this may result in the campaign overlaying your header or navigation bar. If you have any questions, browse through our helpful documentation. Or, for further assistance, you can submit a support ticket and we'd be happy to help.